on the national capital that witnessed a high-intensity explosion. Delhi today witnessed a high-intensity blast. In fact, 8 people have been confirmed dead. Several others have been injured. All of this happened right outside Delhi's iconic Red Fort. The blast has ripped through a slow-moving eco-van. In fact, we hear that it was a blast that was carried out from inside a car that was slow-moving and stopped right at the red light opposite the metro station at the Red Fort. So it was not a stationary car, it was a car, an eco-van that was moving very slowly near the red light, and that's where the blast happened. When the car slowed down, the blast happened at the red light. One of the busiest stretches of central Delhi area, and we have confirmed reports that 10 people have died. That's the confirmation that we have. 10 people have died. There are nearly 15 people who are injured. This explosion here was so powerful that it shattered windows of vehicles parked several meters away and set off quite a massive blaze that tore through the area. It took 7 fire tender teams to bring down the blaze. At least 22 vehicles we hear have been destroyed by the inferno, including some cars, auto rickshaws, e-rickshaws, 22 vehicles in total, 10 people confirmed dead. In fact, some of the eyewitnesses who've spoken to us describe a deafening boom followed by plumes of fire and thick smoke that was billowing over the Red Fort walls. Firefighters battled the blaze for hours before finally bringing this under control. 7:10 p.m. precisely is when the blast happened. Authorities have confirmed that 8 bodies have been recovered, now confirming that 10 have been confirmed dead. In fact, the area remains fully sealed. Investigation currently is underway. They're combing the area, combing debris to see if they can find any evidence. Top anti-terror units, including the National Investigative Agency, NIA, NSG, the dog squad, the bomb squad, forensics are all currently on the spot, sifting through the area. Dog units now are sweeping for any kind of traces of explosive material that they could find. Officials suspect the use of high-grade improvisative explosive device, but it's not confirmed. They're trying to comb the area to see if they can find evidence, because this kind of blast cannot happen so easy. The intensity and the magnitude of it, it looks suspicious. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also taken stock of the situation. He's been briefed by Home Minister Amit Shah, who is personally monitoring developments as well. In the wake of this explosion, remember, Delhi is already on high alert. You also have neighboring Noida, Gurgaon, Haryana, that are all on high alert, Uttar Pradesh as well. Mumbai, Kolkata have all been placed on high alert. The Uttar Pradesh DGP has also issued a red alert ordering stepped-up patrols, vehicle checks and tight surveillance across key religious locations in UP.